Hello everyone, welcome to the videos. Today I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hand. This is 20 quart dough mixers, and we can see the units. Let me give you the dimensions first. The units entire length, they are about like 18.5 inches deep, and the overall height is about like 30.5 inches tall. And also about like 16 inches wide. So as we can see, the units on this side, they come in all the functions buttons here, and the stickers information here, and also have a dough lift here. You can follow the construction to load it down and up. And also we come in with 3 different hooks from the manufacturers. They give you the 1, 2, and 3. The hooks coming from the manufacturers. And on the sticker information, we can see the capacity is about like 20 quart using the 110 plugs. So the manufacturer give you a standard plugs at behind of the units. It's 110 plugs. Now we can take a look closer to see the both sizes. When we're looking closer of the units, we can see there is a hookup right here. This is for the grinder connections. You can remove the plastic covers to best separate the parts, mount on it. And also the bowl sizes, let me give you the measurements. For this bowl, it's about like 13.5 inches, the diameters. And the depth of it, it's almost about like 1 feet, like 12 inches deep. And the side, we also have a security locks. We will need to remove the bowl from the machines, and you can just open it. This will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.